Hi, this is Steve Martin, Senator Martin from the 11th District, most of Chesterfield County and all of the city of Colonial Heights. I'm glad you could stop by to let me share with you just a moment. We have a particular matter that's before us today that we've talked about before. It's in HJR 693, which is dealing with the eminent domain issue. If you recall, some years ago, the Kelo case, in which went to the Supreme Court and allowed a local government to be able to take property from individuals or businesses to transfer it to another business interest so that they could make more money off of it. And the public interest, I guess, is supposed to be that it's got better use and the local government is able to collect more taxes off of it. Well, of course, we got a problem with that. That's a personal property right issue. And here in the state of Virginia, after some battling, we were able to get some protection against that type of Kelo invasion here in the state of Virginia in our code. However, a codified right is not nearly as strong as a constitutional protected right. Any legislature can come along in the future and amend that section of the code and can cause great harm to our property rights. So some of us have been working for quite some time now to see that codified protection be placed in the Constitution. Today I will have the privilege of introducing this bill on the floor, recommending its passage, its adoption of the amendments. There will be a debate that will be going on over fundamentally from some whether or not it should even be adopted or not, but I believe that argument will be on the losing end. So the primary debate will be over whether or not the protection of goodwill value and the compensation for goodwill value versus using language like income lost will probably be the primary debate. Just to help to make the point of why this is important, if VDOT were to come along to make some road improvements in front of your business, and in the process of they purchased some land for you, that was the purchase of the land supposedly they got the value for, but while they were there working, they made it impossible for people to come into your business to do business with you, then you would have income loss there. The damage would need to be compensated for. If not, then you will have lost a great property right at the expense of the state and not have been compensated for it. So those are along the lines of the types of arguments and discussions that we will have today. Hopefully by the end of this day, we will have a bill that will be acceptable to the House. They will accept our amendments and it will go to the governor for signature. And then we'll be moving forward successfully on this constitutional amendment. Thank you for stopping by.